Alpha guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope say you gallant, I hope say you steady. For the purpose of those who just dey join us, my name na Bioku, your popular tech bro wey dey teach programming for pidgin. I dey also use this opportunity to welcome you to my YouTube channel and also importantly to tell you to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so tey when I drop a new video, you go be among the first people wey dey receive am. So make we no too drag am as per say time no dey. So if you never see the previous video on templates and layout, I dey give you head up now say make you quickly pause this video, go watch the previous video on templates and layout, then come back to this video come continue because na only that time these two videos go fit synchronize come synergize together wey be say dem go come make complete sense. So now I dey assume say anybody wey dey continue from this point onward don already see the last video on templates and layout. At the end of this tutorial, you go don get enough knowledge to create a really simple profile website for yourself or to build something for your friends just to show them say you sef don arrive. So wetin I go just do now be say I go just switch back to the website wey we go dey build inside this tutorial, and na the website wey we go dey build for inside this tutorial be this. So you go see this first section wey dey here like this, wey be the navigation section. E contain the logo of this website, different pages on the website, projects, ideas, aspirations, socials, and if you click here you go fit download CV. But this download CV like this no be the function of CSS and HTML alone. If you wan make this one dey very possible, we go still reach the point wey be say if you click this one like this, anybody go fit just download your CV online. So we fit use JavaScript for that one to achieve this purpose. But then this website e dey work as e suppose to be. So this section wey you dey see here, so na wetin you fit just imagine as the executive summary section. Shey you dey see am? And we get the skills here. If I hover my mouse on this one like this, e dey show some simple stylistic design. Shey you dey see am? So this place na project section, distinction, why employer should hire you. So you fit just include your referees here, people wey you wan use as referee, you fit just use them here. And the little thing wey dem don talk about too, so you fit just represent am here, put their picture here, put their name here and their profile. And this last part of the website wey you dey see so na the get in touch with me faster or quicker. So because say this one na HTML and CSS wey we been just dey talk about, CSS and HTML no give us the authority to perform back-end logic. So we go still reach that part wey be say we go come dey begin dey talk about logic and how we fit send information to the internet from our website. So and this one wey you see here, so na just ordinary hand. Shey you dey see am where I dey carry am about so I just use this one as design. So at the end of this tutorial again, you sef go dey very competent to fit build this type of very beautiful and awesome website.